Hi, I'm going to show you 3 different kinds of mixtures and 7 experiments. The 3 different kinds of mixtures I'm going to show you are mixtures, suspensions, and solutions. To start off, I'm going to show you 2 different kinds of mixtures. The definition of a mixture is a combination of substances that are not chemically combined. An example of this would be a fruit salad. A fruit salad is a mixture because even though all the fruit is together in one bowl, you can still separate it because it's not chemically combined. Another example is mixing pieces of paper together in one bowl. This is a mixture because even though all the pieces of paper are mixed together, you can still separate them out. So they're a mixture. Another type of mixture is a solution. The definition of a solution is a mixture in which solutes dissolve in a solvent completely. A solute is what is dissolving, and a solvent is what is doing the dissolving. An example of this would be table sugar and water. Table sugar and water would be a solution. Table sugar would be the solute, and the water would be the solvent. And if you mix them together, they become one substance instead of 2. Another example of this would be food coloring in water. The food coloring would be the solute, which is dissolving in the solvent, which would be the water. So instead of still being 2 different liquids, they are one liquid. And for a third example of a solution, you would mix baking soda and vinegar. When doing this, mix them together, and it fizzes, becoming one solution instead of 2. And for my last 2 experiments, I'm going to show you suspensions. The definition of a suspension is a mixture of liquids with particles of a solid that do not dissolve in the liquid. An example of this would be mulch and water. This is a suspension because the mulch and the water will settle out and they will not mix. Another example would be beans and oil. This is the suspension because the beans and oil will separate, leaving you with 2 different substances instead of 1. Becoming staying as 2 different things instead of becoming 1. And those are 3 different kinds of mixtures.